I think we're gonna have some great fishing today. This is one of my favorite launches. That's right.
Grab the leader like this, sit, turn your hand where it stays there, turn your hand where it stays there, now you got it. Yep, I can feel it. The winds, the light has changed, the weather's changed. Barometric pressure going down, so that shuts the bait off. The bite off. So anyway, it was a good day. Catch and release 2022. Give me the keys back.
I said, I'll go get the truck and back it down the launch. He said, we're kind of in a hurry. It's starting to rain and it's getting colder.
Had a good day today, got the boat cleaned up, fished over here at Blue Angel Park, and had a good day, caught some trout, a couple of reds, and saw a bunch of gar and a bunch of tarpon today. And the clouds are coming in, we had to go in a little bit early. The honeydew has got to go to work.